Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is 29th of December 2023, end of this year. Me and my buddy Ashutosh is here to trek the Rajgarh Fort in Sahyadri mountain ranges. So we just had our lunch, pretty late here, around 1:30 p.m. already, and we are set to reach the top of the fort. We are here at the moment and our target is those peaks. Be an hour since we are trekking and things have come a little closer, I believe. Let's see, the valley is really deep. It's really high. So guys, we also met some campers on the way. Today is 29th of December, so there are boards written that camping is banned here, but we'll figure out if it is actually banned. Meanwhile, you can see the magnificent Rajgarh Fort is visible right behind me. People are camping here for 2 to 3 days. That has brought up some hopes for us. We didn't come up with any plans, but let's see how it goes. Trying through the super view. The widest this camera can capture. Let's see how it goes. Ashutosh behind us, and that's the Bale Killa. Stairs here. 2:30 p.m. people. While we are late, we can still experience the beauty of this jungle. That's what I was telling Ashutosh some minutes back. So what I want to say is, I cannot give you that feeling in this trek what I'm feeling right now. It's a different feeling altogether. my brother coming up. We are tired like anything. We are tired, bro. उधर मुँह तो दिखा. अरे आके दिखाएगा क्या? हैं? Hike some more distance, guys, and the scenery looks something like this. Very close, and the rest of the areas are here. That is one of the Buruj. That is the infamous Neda. Let's go ahead. बाकी पूर्ण गोट्यांमध्ये कोरल्यासारखं तोडलं आहे माहिती आहे का त्या फोडले पण कसे. Guys, we came all the way from here to here, and you know the last patches are a little challenging, I would say, but if you have a decent fitness, you can make it. Safety railing is here, so it's not that risky. Let's go. पुढे पायऱ्या आहे का? So my friend says there are some amazing stairs here. Let me show you how they are. So you have to walk like this. This reminds us of Alang Madan Kulang, guys. Superb. उतरते टाइम पे सब अंदर. अब मेरे को लग रहा है जितना इजीली चढ़ गया मैं. नहीं उतर लेगा तो डोंट वरी. Thrilling, huh? Now we don't know how we are going to go down. Maybe we'll stay here. Amazing, guys, amazing. Sure.
त्यांना जाऊ दे आता. येता येता या या.
थोड़ा सेलिब्रेट तो कर बाबू. ब्लाइंड हो गया क्या? भारी दिसत नाही. चला जाओ. Guys, we are on one of the portions of Rajgarh Fort, and the Fort Torna is also visible from here. काय रे ते? राहायची व्यवस्था. हा? राहायची व्यवस्था. Ruins of Tatbandi, the fort walls, and few walls here as well. So folks, behind me you see the ruins of Royal Palace. I hope my camera is able to justify the foundation where the palace would have been built, and that side is the Torna Fort as well. We will try to climb up the Bale Killa right now. Let's go. Where are you? खायला काही नाही हा. चल सोबत चल. क्या नाम दूं? हाँ अगं सगळे ट्रेकवर भेटतंय. चल रे मित्रा, चल चला 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 चल. याच्यासाठी घ्यायला लागतं ना आता बिस्किट बिस्किट. Suvera Machi, guys. Just look at the beauty of this place. Ruins of Tatbandi, Moti, and
मोती को
Suvera Machi. Moti ka bapu.
मोती को ओनर लेट दो.
People, we just came from this edge, which is the Padmavati Machi, and we were heading towards Suvera Machi. Little did we know that even there's a third side of the fort, which is, sorry, I'm not able to recollect the name. So that's the third Machi, and this is the Bale Killa. We wish to take the scenic beauty of the Suvera Machi. So let's go. Guys, we are heading towards the Suvera Machi, and as we go, we realized this is among the biggest forts in Maharashtra. Sanjeevani Machi, guys, right behind us. Let's go.
तीन बार हो गया आज मेरा सर्कल रिपीट.
मतलब कैलोरी का क्या? हमें तो साले नीचे घूमना और इधर आना कुछ फर्क तो है ना. So folks, on the way to the Chilkhati Buruj. So people, we are on top of the Chilkhati Buruj, which is completely circular in shape, and we get to see a beautiful view of the Sanjeevani Machi from here. Sorry, Suvera Machi from here. So this is the Suvera Machi. You can see there's a Tatabandi surrounding this one, and that side, no, Sanjeevani Machi is not visible from here. So behind this hill there's Sanjeevani Machi. This is Bale Killa, and that was Padmavati Machi. A very big fort, guys. Even I am finding it difficult to remember the names, so excuse me for that. So that is it for the Rajgarh video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the expedition. It was unplanned. We just took our bike and came along. Couldn't show you the other two machis, which is the Sanjeevani Machi and the Bale Killa. It's a very big fort and it's close to 5 PM now. We came through the Chor Darwaza, which is a narrow and a little risky route. So before sunset we must go down. So Suraj Bhagwan about to set, and Bale Killa, this beautiful landscape. We plan to come again here, guys, to camp and have some more fun again. Till then, see you again. Tata, bye bye, and please like, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Needless to say, thank you so much. See you again in the next adventure.